What's up, everybody? Hey, it's your boy Killer B coming at you again. Hey, I'm coming to you with a new installment for Cone, as you can see back here. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready to head to Harley Davidson. I need to get there early. It's a Saturday morning, so first come, first serve. So today I got my new Harley security system right here to be installed, but which I found out I do already have a security system on here. I just don't have it. They just didn't give me the key fob or something. So I went through it and everything, hooked this up last night, but I guess you have to have a key fob and have it flashed. But yeah, so I'm headed up there today to get this installed this morning, and should have alarm on my security system on my bike today sometime. And other thing I want y'all to see, you can see this big box right here. Yeah, those are my new bars, man. Those are my new bars. Hey, I'm gonna take them out and let you get a look at them. Yeah, I hadn't opened them yet. So yeah, these are my new bars. Yeah, I can't wait to see them, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh man, yeah. I had none to wrap them because, like I say, I just got them the other day. I hadn't took them out the plastic. These are my LA Chopper hammerhead bars, man, and black. Yeah, I'm not gonna unwrap them right now, but I am gonna show you the finished product when I get these baby installed. Oh, I cannot wait. That's gonna look awesome on the bike, man. That's gonna look awesome. Yeah, I didn't want to do the unwrapping until I got with y'all so y'all can see, but I want y'all to see the finished product. I don't want to unwrap them right now to get them. I don't want to get them scratched up right now, because I'm gonna put them back in the box and hopefully get up there today. I'm not letting Harley put it on. Harley price is off the wall, y'all, off the chain. So no, I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, you can see the kind of way they made and everything. These are the hammerheads, LA Chopper bars. So yeah, I just want to come to you this morning with a quick video to let you see some of the installments that's gonna be going on my bike today. So yeah, and Cone's gonna look that much better. I can't wait to get these bars on though, and the system. And I still have some more stuff to come for Cone, some more upgrades. It's a free amount of upgrades. It's not that bad, but yeah, not that much money like some of this other stuff I've been getting from my bike. But hey, I'm excited about these bars. Man, I can't say no more about them, but soon as they get installed, I'll get back with you. You can see Cone right there. He ready to roll. I got the rock and roll up here in 30-degree weather right now. Early this morning, I got my police pants on. I guess that's how you say it. My wife will make fun of me if I say it wrong. If you can see the pants, yeah, they're insulated. And I got my thermals on. So I got heated grips. So yeah, I'm getting ready to head up here. Hey man, y'all have a blessed day, and I'll get back with you as soon as I get this stuff installed and tell you how it came out. Hopefully, Maverick Harley Davidson let me come back and record the installment on the bike. But probably not, because man, I've been looking for something to install that myself, but you gotta let them flash it and everything. But I'll be back with an update as soon as I get this stuff installed. I'm excited, man. I'm happy that I'm gonna get this installed today, because I've been riding around without a alarm on my bike, but I have been locking my bike up and everything. And I got another, like a disc brake lock that I put on there too. But it's nothing like having a Harley lock on your bike. It's something that you know is gonna protect your bike and everything. So hey, stay tuned for more videos to come. I was gonna do a video ride up there, but man, I'm trying to stay warm right now when I get up there. Yeah, but man, these boards look awesome, man. Look at this. Yeah, I wish y'all could see them. They're black. Yeah, they're black. My hands will be closer together. Oh man, and I think it'll be much more control with that too. So yeah. So hey, y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe out here. Keep gliding. and keep rolling,
What's
baby.
up, everybody? As you can see, we made it here to Maverick Harley Davidson. Man, my thumbs are frozen. I go Cone. He ready to get his service done on it. Yeah, he ready. He was saying, man, what's wrong with you? Is you crazy out here? Oh man, my thumbs like to froze off. But hey, y'all, I made it here safe to Maverick Harley Davidson. So yeah, as you can see, yeah. So yeah, so we finna check in, I guess about 9 o'clock. So I got here a little early. So I'm in line pretty good. So hey, I get back with y'all as soon as Cone get this upgrade on it. And hey, I'm loving it. Yeah, I'm just showing y'all some of the bikes. I think these are some of the electric bikes that they got up here. Yeah, look at that, man. Nice, nice. Yeah, buddy. Maverick Harley Davidson, baby. Up in Carrollton, Texas. Yeah, they got a nice line of bikes, man. Look at that green, y'all. That baby is clean. Yeah. Tell me what y'all think about the bikes right there. Look at this CBO. I want me a CBO, but yeah, that baby's sweet. Yeah, they got a nice line of bikes, man. Hey, y'all, check out the lounge up here at Maverick Harley Davidson, man. So if y'all come up here, y'all can chill. Just, you know, they got the pool table. They got the bar over there. Yeah, the nice leather couches. Oh, they got Harley engraved in the couches, man. Oh, I'm sitting on the love seat, what they call it, the love seat. Yeah, that's not no jacket, baby. That is the couch. So yeah, man. Yeah, I'm sitting up here waiting. They having something down here. They got food going on, and they asked me that I want waffles. I'm not that hungry right now. You know, I'm not trying to slow down on eating a lot early in the morning. Even though everybody said that's the best time to eat. That's the best thing to eat is breakfast. So yeah. As y'all can see, nice dealership. Nice. So they got the little pool table if you want to shoot pool, baby. Got the vending machine if you want something to drink. But yeah, they should be about done here in the future, so I can jump on Kong and get back. Hopefully be done warmed up a little bit because my thumbs are numb, baby. They are numb. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Killer B. Hey, finally made it back home with Kong. Cone got his new security system installed on it. I am very happy about that. Oh man, you just don't know. Trying to put different locks on this and lock this up every time I get off. But now, you know, I got my key fob. I got 2 of them. So it came with 2 key fobs. The Harley system, hey, they put it on about 45 minutes. Didn't cost me that much. Hey, Maverick Harley Davidson is the place to go to get your stuff installed. So man, the labor prices is a whole lot cheaper than everybody else that I have found and every other Harley Davidson. But it was great. It was easy, simple. They treated me good up there at Maverick. And Kong is home with the security system. We'll be getting the bars done next week. So yeah, we're gonna put the LA choppers on here next week. 12-inch bars, hammerheads. Hey, I'm really excited about that right there. So yeah, so we home. I just want to give you an update on Kong. Everything is good. They checked it out. They washed it for me. That's why I say, man, I wasn't even looking for them to wash the bike at all. But hey, I'm happy for, you know, for the wash they gave it. I like the froze going up there. Only thing got cold on me, I got heated grips on here. My thumbs got cold. Oh my God, I feel like I had frostbite in my thumbs going up there. But hey, I made it up there safe and sound. And my legs never got cold. It was a nice little ride. I didn't record any ride or anything like that. But hey, I just want to give you an update, let you know Kong is doing awesome. I think he excited about this himself. I will give him a cold
I mean, well, he ain't cold right now. I would give him a nice startup right now, just so you can hear the pipes. Yeah, but we'll do that next time on the next video. But hey, until then, hey, y'all be blessed and have a great Saturday. Thank you.